So I'm here and I'm about to leave. So I made this montage of photos of what the room looks like in the pool. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. And if you do, click that like button, subscribe, so I could do more Minecraft videos. And if I'm away, I can do a photo montage of what happened. So yeah, here's the pictures. Peace. I'm back from vacation, and today I show you guys my montage. There was 2 pools I forgot to mention in the montage, but there was an indoor and an outdoor. They're pretty big, but yeah, I had a really good time there. I went to the beach and I went to the pools. They're also really good. And if you guys didn't know, I did go to Cape Cod. I do not live in Cape Cod, I want to say right now, but I got the shirt just to show you guys that I did go to Cape Cod. The trip was really good. I liked it. Some people, when I got this whoopee cushion from this arcade thing, I might use it in a future prank. But yeah, so if you guys see the quality is a bit bad, probably the light. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this montage, leave a like. And I didn't record because I was on vacation, so yeah, I was just sorry about that. And yeah, comment and subscribe. Peace.